Today I'm going to do a video about Unity IPO and see what this company is about, since it's going to IPO tomorrow on the 18th. Let's see what this company is about before we start investing money into it. So if we go onto Unity's website, we could see what games they're making, which industries they're expanding to, and the top industries they're in, obviously games, since Unity is like a gaming cloud-based system, something like that. And they're also expanding into other fields like animations, architect, gambling, and automotive. I didn't even know they were going to do something like that. We could just read about this real quick. So I think they're trying to use like 3D models onto platforms and like trying to partner with car companies. I don't know exactly, but I'm just reading down real quick. So yeah, they're also partnering with Audi, it seems like, or maybe Tesla even. So this company is really expanding, and I could see very high growth potential, just like Shopify, since not only do they have a platform where you can make your own games, but they're also working with other companies and trying to grow their brand out through other fields and industries. So we take a look at their past games they had out, just the recent past games. They had very famous games like Among Us. They also had Call of Duty Mobile, which is a very big one. They also had, let me see. I think they had like Mario Kart in 2018. Yeah, I think I saw it, Mario Kart. But they have a lot of games with a lot of creators already, and they're a huge platform. And it says their pricing is going to be around $44 to $48. It might be higher since Snowflake IPO happened today and it just skyrocketed. I don't know what was up with that. We could just read the comments real quick. I wonder why we can't pre-order shares. Wow, they raised the price. The price was outrageous. I'll wait until it drops $12 to $14. To be honest, this kind of stock is a stock I'll buy at any price below $100 or even a little bit above $100, because I could see this stock in this company growing to valuations of like $1,000 to even like $2,000, something like Amazon level. Because if we look at Shopify, the exact same platform, not really the exact same platform, but the same concept, platforming and stuff, where you allow other people to create games on your platform, it really does. Those kind of companies really grow huge. Like, if I bought, matter of fact, I had the chance to buy Shopify a couple years ago, since I actually started Shopify stores a couple years ago when I was like 16. So I actually had the chance to see and learn about Shopify before this, but this was before I got into the stock market. But anyways, tomorrow I'm gonna do a video about me buying into the share of Unity. My plan for Unity is just buy over time. So each week or each month at least, I just buy a couple shares of Unity, however expensive they are. Alright? That's my plan for basically all stocks that I really want to buy, unless I'm just trading it. If I'm just trading stocks, then I'll just buy in when it's low and then sell when it's a bit higher. But that's all for this video. So you guys could like, subscribe, and comment what are you gonna buy the stock? What's your opinion? Also, if I think I will just leave a link to Webull or Robinhood if you guys want to sign up and try this yourself.